If you require globe-hopping flexibility and a plane that can double as a house, the corporate jet version Airbus ACJ350 XWB, with 2,910 square feet of cabin space, should do the trick. The jet is a new version of the popular A350 XMB airliner, which entered commercial service in January 2015, driven by two Rolls-Royce Trent engines. The business jet's flight range of up to 12,400 miles is far enough to travel non-stop between any 2 points on Earth, typically equipped for 25 passengers. The cabin treats passengers to wide panoramic windows that provide views of the planet as it passes by, but noise is kept to a minimum. The XWB has the quietest cabin in its class.